So based upon which character means based upon the presence of pedicel, based upon the presence of pedicel, presence or absence of pedicel, presence or absence of pedicel. Racemose inflorescence, it is of two types. Racemose inflorescence, it is of how many types based upon this criteria? Racemose inflorescence based upon the presence or absence of pedicel. Racemose inflorescence, it is of two types. One, it is racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. Racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. And the second one, it is none other than racemose inflorescence with sessile flowers. So here racemose inflorescence based upon which criteria means based upon the presence or absence of pedicel. Racemose inflorescence, it is of two types. One, it is racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers, and second one, it is racemose inflorescence with sessile flowers. In this, first we have to discuss about racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. In these are of how many types means first type, that is nothing but raceme. First type, that is nothing but raceme inflorescence. First time, that is nothing but first one, that is nothing but raceme inflorescence. This raceme inflorescence, it is of two types. One, it is simple raceme. One, it is a simple raceme, and the second one, it is a compound raceme. Second one, it is a compound raceme. So for simple raceme, which one is the example means the example for simple raceme, that is nothing but crotalaria. Simple raceme, example for simple raceme, it is nothing but crotalaria. And compound raceme example, it is nothing but Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica. So what is meant by simple raceme? What is about the simple raceme means simple C. Think this is the peduncle. Think this one is nothing but a peduncle. Peduncle, it is also called as mother axis. Peduncle, it is also called as mother axis, also called as inflorescence axis. As it is one of the racemose type, here what happens means the terminal bud of the peduncle. This is nothing but which one means a terminal bud of the peduncle. Terminal bud of the peduncle is active. Terminal bud of the peduncle is active. Why? Because simple here reason, the terminal bud does not opens into flower. Terminal bud does not opens into flower. Terminal bud that does not opens into flower. That means here the growth of the terminal bud, whether it is definite or indefinite, means growth of the terminal bud, it is indefinite type. Growth of the terminal bud, it is indefinite type. Think this is the peduncle or mother axis or inflorescence axis. The terminal bud of the peduncle is active. Reason, terminal bud, it does not opens into flower. That means the terminal bud of the peduncle, they are showing indefinite growth. And what is meant by simple means, I already told you, simple means here the peduncle, whether it is branched or unbranched, means peduncle is unbranched. Peduncle is unbranched. As it is simple type, as it is nothing but simple type, here the peduncle is unbranched. Here the peduncle is unbranched. And what happens means on this peduncle numerous bracteate. Numerous, which one here? Numerous bracteate. These structures are nothing but bracteate. This structure, it is nothing but bract means, can we call that one as bracteate flowers? Yes. So on this peduncle, bracteate. Next, these are nothing but which one means pedicellate. These are nothing but pedicellate. These are nothing but pedicellate. Why? Because due to the presence of pedicel, can we call that one as pedicellate flowers? Yes, it is called as pedicellate flowers. And bisexual flowers, and what it is called as, these are nothing but which flowers means bisexual flowers arranged in acropetal manner. Bisexual flowers are arranged in which manner? Acropetal manner. That means bracteate on this peduncle, bracteate, pedicellate, bracteate, pedicellate, bisexual flowers arranged in which manner means arranged in acropetal manner. Arranged in which manner means arranged in acropetal manner. What is meant by acropetal arrangement? That means these are the younger flowers. These are nothing but younger flowers are present towards apex. And these are nothing but the older flowers. These are nothing but which flowers here? Older flowers are present towards base. Can we call this type of arrangement of flowers, can we call that one as acropetal manner? Yes. What is meant by acropetal manner? Older flowers are present towards the base of the peduncle, and whereas younger flowers are present towards the apex of the peduncle. So it is none other than acropetal arrangement. This is about simple raceme. This is about simple raceme. Simple raceme example nothing but crotalaria. And next goes to compound raceme, that is nothing but Mangifera indica. Compound raceme, that is nothing but which one here? Mangifera indica. In Mangifera indica, think this one is the peduncle again. Think this one is called as peduncle. Peduncle are also called as mother axis, are also called as inflorescence axis. And here the peduncle, whether it is branched or unbranched, as I already told you, simple means peduncle is unbranched, whereas compound means peduncle is branched. Peduncle is branched. And what happens means here the peduncle is branched. That means these are the branches. That means these are the branches. These are the branches. Now, on these branches, how the flowers are arranged means, on these branches, numerous bracteate. On these branches, what happens here? Numerous bracteate, pedicellate flowers, numerous bracteate, pedicellate flowers, arranged in which manner? Arranged in acropetal manner. Arranged in which manner here? Arranged in acropetal manner. Why? Because the base of the branch it shows older flowers, and the apex of the branch it shows younger flowers. That means they are arranged in acropetal manner. That means each branch of this compound raceme resembles with simple raceme. Each branch of compound raceme resembles with simple raceme. Resembles with which one here? Simple raceme. Can we call this one as a compound raceme as raceme of racemes means? Yes, it is called as racemes of raceme. It is also called as racemes of raceme. This is about the explanation for compound raceme. Example nothing but Mangifera indica. Can you tell me Mangifera indica belongs to which family means? It belongs to the family namely known as Anacardiaceae. It belongs to the family namely known as Anacardiaceae. That means Mangifera indica belongs to the family namely known as Anacardiaceae, and it shows which type of fruit means it shows Mangifera indica, it shows which type of fruit means it shows a simple fleshy fruit. It shows which type of fruit means a simple fleshy fruit. What is that simple fleshy fruit means? That is nothing but drupe fruit. That is nothing but which fruit here? Drupe fruit. So for compound raceme, I already told you that is nothing but example Mangifera indica. This Mangifera indica, it belongs to which fruit? Means it is one of the true fruit. Can you tell me why it is called as true fruit? Means fertilized ovary develops into fruit, means that type of fruit is called as true fruit, and it is one of the simple fruit, and it is one of the simple fruit, and it is one of the fleshy fruit, and it is one of the fleshy fruit. In this true fruit Mangifera indica, pericarp is differentiated into how many layers? 3 layers. One, it is epicarp. It is leathery. Second one, mesocarp, is fleshy and juicy, and it is edible portion, and next one, it is endocarp, it is stony. In first year syllabus, this is one of the example for compound raceme, and this Mangifera indica, it is also belonging to true fruit, simple fruit, fleshy fruit, where pericarp is differentiated into 3 layers. One, it is epicarp is leathery, mesocarp is fleshy and juicy and edible, and endocarp is stony. This is about compound raceme. Next goes to second type of inflorescence, that is nothing but corymb. So this corymb, it is also of how many types? Means 2 types. One, it is simple corymb. And second one, it is compound corymb. For simple corymb, which one is the example? Means cassia is one of the example. For simple corymb, cassia, it is one of the example. And for compound corymb, which one is the example? Means cauliflower. For compound corymb, which one is the example? Cauliflower. And in this, when we are discussing about this simple corymb, what happens? Means this is nothing but simple corymb diagram. So in this simple corymb, this is called as peduncle. As it is one of the simple corymb, whether the peduncle is branched or unbranched, means here the peduncle is unbranched. Here the peduncle is which one here? Peduncle is unbranched. And whereas the terminal bud of the peduncle is active. That means they does not terminates into flower. Which one? Means flower. That means whether they are showing definite or indefinite growth, means they are showing indefinite growth. They are showing which growth? Means indefinite growth. And what happens? Means on this simple corymb, what happens? Means numerous bracteate, pedicellate flowers, arranged in which manner? Means arranged in acropetal manner. In this bracteate, pedicellate, bisexual flowers. Arranged in which manner? Means arranged in acropetal manner. Arranged in which manner here? Acropetal manner. Once again, I am explaining about this simple corymb. Simple corymb example, namely known as cassia. And in this simple corymb, peduncle is unbranched, whereas the terminal bud of the peduncle is active. That means they does not terminates into flower. That means they shows indefinite growth. And what happens? Means on this peduncle, the bracteate, these are nothing but the bracts. These are nothing but which one called as? These are nothing but bracts. On peduncle, numerous bracteate, pedicellate flowers are arranged in which manner? Acropetal manner. Why? Because older flowers are arising from the base and younger flowers are present towards apex. So they are arranged in which manner here? Acropetal manner. They are arranged in which manner means acropetal manner. But if we look this inflorescence, here the flowers are arranged in acropetal manner or the flowers are arranged in centripetal manner. If we look this inflorescence, the flowers are arranged in which manner means centripetal manner. Centripetal manner. What is meant by centripetal manner means older flowers are present towards periphery and younger flowers are present towards center. So it is called as a centripetal manner. But according to this simple corymb, flowers are arranged only in acropetal manner. Why? Because older flowers are present towards base and younger flowers are present towards apex. But what happens if we see this inflorescence? What happens means here the flowers are arranged in which manner? Centripetal manner. Why flowers are arranged in centripetal manner means here the older flowers are present towards periphery and younger flowers are present towards center. So it is nothing but centripetal arrangement. Why they are arranged in centripetal arrangement means one reason only, that is that nothing but older flowers are having longer pedicels. Older flowers are having which one here? Longer pedicels. But whereas these are the older flowers, no, these older flowers they are showing which one here? These older flowers they are showing longer pedicels. But whereas younger flowers are having shorter pedicels. Younger flowers are having which one here? Younger flowers are having shorter pedicels, due to which all the flowers are arranged in same height. Due to which all the flowers are arranged in which means all the flowers are arranged in same height. Due to which if we look this inflorescence, if we look this simple corymb here, the flowers are arranged in centripetal arrangement. Why? Because older flowers are present towards periphery and younger flowers are present towards center. Due to which reason means here the older flowers are having longer pedicels and younger flowers are having shorter pedicels, due to which all the flowers are arranged in what? Which one means all the flowers are arranged in same height. So this is about a simple corymb. Example namely known as cassia. And next goes to compound corymb. Compound corymb, that is nothing but example, that itself it is nothing but cauliflower. Cauliflower can be utilized as vegetable. Yes, cauliflower is utilized as vegetable. Cauliflower is utilized as which one means it is utilized as vegetable. Now I am going to explain compound corymb now. Compound corymb. I already written here, that is example namely known as cauliflower. Example, that is nothing but cauliflower which is utilized as vegetable. That means in this compound corymb what happens means this is nothing but the peduncle. This peduncle, whether it is branched or unbranched, means as it is one of the compound type, here the peduncle is branched. As it is one of the compound type, here the peduncle is which one here? Peduncle is branched. And what happens means these are the branches. These are the branches which are developed from the peduncle, developed from the inflorescence axis, developed from the floral axis. On this branches numerous bracteate. On these branches numerous bracteate, numerous pedicellate, numerous bracteate and numerous pedicellate flowers are arranged in which manner means acropetal manner. That means older flowers are present towards base and younger flowers are present towards apex. Older flowers are present towards base and younger flowers are present towards apex. Due to here it shows how many pedicels means here the older flower shows longer pedicels and the younger flower shows shorter pedicels, due to which all the flowers are arranged in same height. All the flowers are arranged in which one means same height, due to which here each branch of compound corymb, resembles with simple corymb. Each branch of compound corymb resembles with simple corymb. That means, can we call this compound corymb as corymb of corymbs? Yes, corymb of corymbs. This compound corymb, it is also called as corymb of corymbs. And once again, see here, in this compound corymb, example namely known as cauliflower, which is utilized as vegetable. Now, can you tell me which parts they are fleshy, which parts they are storing food material, due to which they are utilizing as vegetable? Means, in this cauliflower, what happens means, peduncle is fleshy, and branches are also fleshy. Peduncle and branches are fleshy. Stores food materials. Stores which materials here? Stores of food materials. So they are eatable now. So they are nothing but. So they are eatable. That's why they are utilized as vegetable. That means in this cauliflower, peduncle is fleshy and branches are also fleshy, and they are storing food materials which can be eatable. That's why it is utilized as vegetable in plant namely known as cauliflower. So this is about the corymb inflorescence. And next goes to third type of racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. That is nothing but umbel. Umbel type of racemose inflorescence. Now this umbel type of racemose inflorescence, it is of two types. One, it is simple umbel. One, it is simple umbel, and second one, it is compound umbel. One, it is simple umbel, another one, it is compound umbel. For simple umbel, what is that example? Means onion. Scientific name of onion, it is nothing but EAMCET. It belongs to which family? Means Liliaceae family. It belongs to which family? Means it belongs to the family namely known as Liliaceae. Whether it is one of the monocotyledon or dicotyledon means it is one of the monocotyledon. It is one of the monocotyledon. Umbel, it is of two types. One, it is simple umbel. Example namely known as onion. Scientific name of onion, it is nothing but EAMCET, and it belongs to the family namely known as Liliaceae, and it belongs to monocotyledon. It belongs to which one? Monocotyledon. Now in this simple umbel, what happens means, in the simple umbel, peduncle is condensed. This is nothing but peduncle is condensed. Here the peduncle is, what happens here? Here the peduncle is condensed. Whether the terminal bud is active or inactive now means here the terminal bud is active. Terminal bud is active means here the terminal bud, whether it is showing definite or indefinite growth, means it shows indefinite growth. It shows which growth? Means indefinite growth. On the apex of the condensed peduncle, on the apex of which one? On the apex of condensed peduncle, numerous bracteate, numerous bracteate on the apex of the condensed peduncle, on the apex of the condensed peduncle, numerous bracteate, that is nothing but it shows bract, that's why it is called as bracteate, and it shows pedicellate flowers, and it shows which flowers? Means pedicellate flowers, and it shows pedicellate flowers. Arranged in which manner? Means arranged in which manner? Now can you tell me? Means arranged in centripetal manner. Arranged in which manner? Means centripetal manner. That means these are the older flowers, these are the older flowers, and these are the younger flowers. So can you tell me here, the older flowers are present towards periphery and the younger flowers are present towards center. So this type of arrangement, can we call that one as a centripetal arrangement? Means yes, it is nothing but a centripetal arrangement. It is nothing but which arrangement means centripetal arrangement. Once again, centripetal arrangement means older flowers are present towards periphery and younger flowers are present towards center. This type of arrangement itself, it is nothing but a centripetal arrangement, and the opening of flowers are also done through centripetal manner only. Why? Because older flowers they opens first, and whereas younger flowers they opens later. And what happens means on this condensed peduncle, this whorl of bracts, on this condensed peduncle, bracts are present in the form of whorl. Bracts are present on this condensed peduncle. On condensed peduncle, bracts are present in the form of whorl. Bracts are present in the form of whorl. So can we call that one as involucre of bracts? Yes, it is called as involucre of bracts. Involucre of bracts can be seen in simple umbel. Yes, involucre of bracts can be seen in simple umbel. What is meant by involucre of bracts means bracts which are forming whorl-like structure on the condensed peduncle and forms a whorl-like structure on the condensed peduncle. So it is called as involucre of bracts. Can you tell me number of involucre in simple umbel? Number of involucre in simple umbel, that is nothing but 1. Number of involucre in simple umbel, that is nothing but 1. According to this diagram, number of bracts in involucre, according to this diagram means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means what is the number according to this diagram? It itself it is nothing but 5 number. That means number of involucre is equal to 1. Number of bracts in involucre is equal to 5. Number of involucre is equal to number of flowers. Whether it is right or wrong option means it is one of the wrong option. Why? Because the number of involucres, how many number of involucres? 1. Number of flowers, how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means whether they are resembling same figure here? No. That's why it is one of the wrong option. Now which one is the correct option means number of bracts in involucre. Number of bracts in involucre is equal to number of flowers. Number of bracts in involucre is equal to number of flowers. How many bracts are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already written here the number of bracts in involucre is equal to 5. How many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means number of bracts in the involucre is equal to 5 and the number of flowers are also equal to 5. That means the number of involucre is equal to number of flowers. That is one of the wrong option. Why? Because here the number of involucre it is 1. Number of flowers are 5. That means it is not correct here. But whereas number of bracts in involucre is equal to number of flowers means yes. Why? Because number of bracts in involucre is equal to 5. And what happens to the number of flowers means here also it comes 5. That means it is one of the right option. That means it is one of the right option. So this is about simple umbel. So simple umbel means that is nothing but onion. Example, Allium cepa belongs to the family Liliaceae, belongs to monocotyledon, and in this simple umbel peduncle is condensed. Terminal bud, whether it is active or inactive means active. Why? Because it shows indefinite growth. On this condensed peduncle, bracts are developing. These bracts are forming whorl-like structure. Can we call that one as involucre of bracts? Yes. And what happens from this? From these bracts, numerous flowers are developing. So from this bract, pedicellate bisexual flowers are arranged in which manner? Centripetal manner. Why? Because older flowers are present towards periphery and younger flowers are present towards center. Opening of flowers are also nothing but centripetal opening only. And whereas number of involucre is equal to number of flowers, wrong option. Why? Because number of involucre 1, number of flowers is equal to 5. That means it is a wrong option. But whereas number of bracts in the involucre according to this diagram, it shows 5 and number of flowers are also showing 5. That means it is a right option. Number of involucre is equal to 1 and number of bracts in the involucre is equal to 5. This is about simple umbel. So next goes to compound umbel. Example for compound umbel, that is nothing but a carrot. So here carrot belongs to which family means Apiaceae family. Carrot belongs to which family means Apiaceae family. Scientific name of carrot, that is nothing but Dacus carota. Scientific name of carrot itself, it is nothing but Dacus carota. We already studied this carrot, that is nothing but Dacus carota belonging to Apiaceae. It is one of the example for compound umbel and it is also one of the good example for root modifications. It is also one of the good example for which modifications means root modifications. In root modifications, it is one of the good example for storage roots. It is one of the good example for storage roots. What happens means due to the storage of food material, can you tell me this carrot whether it is one of the dicot or monocot? Means it is one of the dicot. Carrot itself, it is one of the dicot. That means whether it is showing taproot system or adventitious root system. That means it shows a taproot system. It shows which type of system means taproot system. That means in this carrot, what happens means due to the storage of food material in taproot of carrot, due to the storage of food material in which root here? Taproot of carrot. Due to the storage of food material in taproot of carrot, it is also called as primary root, due to which this root gets bulged and it attains which shape means it attains conical shape. It attains which shape means conical shape. And here what happens to the lateral roots? Whether here taproot system stores food material or taproot or primary root stores food material means here only taproot or primary root only stores food materials, but taproot system they does not stores food materials. What happens to this lateral roots? What happens to the lateral roots and rootlets and root hairs? What happens to the rootlets and root hairs means these lateral roots and rootlets and root hairs, they perform older function, that is nothing but absorption of water and minerals. Absorption of which one here? Water and minerals. Absorption of water and minerals done by root hairs and it is pumped towards lateral roots. And whereas a taproot or primary root, it only stores food materials due to which it becomes bulged, due to which it attains which shaped means conical shaped. And what is the another one means? It is also good example for compound umbel. Now we will discuss about this compound umbel. This is nothing but compound umbel. Example carrot, that is nothing but Dacus carota. In this compound umbel, what happens means here the peduncle is condensed. Here the peduncle is, this is nothing but peduncle, it is condensed. That means this peduncle, it shows active growth. That means the peduncle, it shows indefinite growth. On this condensed peduncle, numerous bracteate on this condensed peduncle, numerous bracteate. As these bracts are forming involucre, as these bracts are forming whorl on this condensed peduncle, so it is called as involucre of bracts. So it is called as involucre of bracts. And what happens means from the branch, from each bract of involucre, branches are developing. From each bract of involucre, which one is developing means branches are developing. From each bract of involucre, branches are developing. These are nothing but branches. These are nothing but, which one it is called as? Branches. From this, these branches also shows bracts. These branches also shows whorl of bracts. These whorl of bracts, it is nothing but whorl of bracts, it is nothing but involucre of bracts. Involucre of bracts. On these branches, whorl of bracts are developing. This whorl of bracts are not called as involucre of bracts. It is called as involucre of bracts. That means on each branch, how many bracts in involucre means 5 bracts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each branch they shows 5 bracts. That means whorl of bracts on each branch, can we call that one as involucre of bracts or involucre of bracts, means it is called as involucre of bracts. Now tell me number of involucre, ratio between number of involucre and involucre, and which one here? Involucre of bracts. What I am saying? Ratio between involucre of bracts and involucre of bracts according to this diagram. That means what is ratio between number of involucre? Ratio between number of involucre, 1 only, no? Ratio between involucre means only 1 involucre of bracts. So here I written here 1. And what is the number? What is the number of involucre of bracts means? Here 1 involucre of bracts, 2nd involucre, 3rd involucre, 4th involucre and 5th involucre. So that is nothing but 1:5. Ratio between number of involucre and number of involucres in compound umbel. In which one means in compound umbel, that is nothing but this is 1 involucre and whereas it shows 5 involucres. So ratio between involucre and involucres, that is nothing but 1:5. 1:5. But generally what happens means ratio between involucre means 1 and involucre of bracts means many. Ratio between generally according to this diagram, ratio between involucre 1, ratio between involucre and involucre of bracts 5. But generally in compound umbel, ratio between involucre and involucre of bracts means involucre it shows only 1, but whereas involucres they are many. Now what happens means each bract of involucre it develops, which one means numerous pedicellate. On each branch. What I am saying here, on each branch from the bracts of involucres, pedicellate bisexual flowers are arranged in which manner means are arranged in centripetal manner. Are arranged in which manner here? Centripetal manner. That means older flowers are present towards periphery and younger flowers are present towards center. So it is nothing but centripetal manner. It is nothing but which manner here? Centripetal manner. That means each branch of compound umbel. This is nothing but each branch of compound umbel resembles with a simple umbel, no? So can we call this compound umbel as umbels of umbel? umbels of umbel. Yes, it is called as umbels of umbel. Why? Because each branch of compound umbel resembles with simple umbel, so it is called as umbels of umbel. Now one more thing here, number of bracts in involucres. Can you tell me number of bracts in involucres? What is the number? That means the number of bracts in involucres means how many involucres are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches. 5 branches are present. That means how many involucres? This is one. This is none other than one involucre of bracts. This is second involucre. This is a third involucre. This is a fourth involucre. This is a 5 involucre. So number of bracts in involucres, what I am saying, listen carefully. Number of bracts in involucres. This involucre contains how many bracts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means number of bracts in each involucre, that is nothing but 5. Number of bracts in involucres means number of bracts in each involucre, that is 5. Number of bracts in all involucres, that is nothing but 25. Number of bracts in each involucre, that is 5. Number of bracts in all involucres, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is nothing but 25. That is nothing but which one means 25. Can you tell me number of bracts in compound umbel? Number of bracts in compound umbel. Number of bracts in compound umbel. Number of bracts in which one here? Compound umbel. That's nothing but number of bracts in compound umbel I asked. I didn't ask number of bracts in involucre, number of bracts in involucres, number of bracts in involucre. That means it is equal to 25 bracts in involucres plus 5 bracts in involucre. 5 bracts in, here 5 bracts in involucre, and whereas 25 bracts in involucres, that is nothing but what is the answer? Means 30 is the answer. Number of bracts in compound umbel means number of bracts in involucres plus number of bracts in involucre, that is nothing but number of bracts in involucres means 25, and number of bracts in involucre, that is nothing but 5, is equal to 30. Number of bracts in each involucre 5. Number of bracts in all involucres is equal to 25. This we completes the compound umbel. That means we already completed the racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. We now completed racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. Now we are moving to racemose inflorescence with sessile flowers. Racemose inflorescence with which flowers means sessile flowers. Racemose inflorescence with sessile flowers. In this, what is the first one? Means spike. This spike, it is also of two types. One it is simple spike. One it is a simple spike, and the second one it is a compound spike. One it is a simple spike, and second one it is a compound spike. And here the simple spike example, that is nothing but echinacea. Simple spike, that example, it is nothing but echinacea, and compound spike, that is nothing but example Oryza sativa. Oryza sativa belongs to which family? Means Poaceae family. Poaceae family. And in this simple spike, what happens means This is nothing but the peduncle. This is nothing but peduncle. Peduncle is long, elongated. Peduncle is long, elongated. Whereas this peduncle is branched or unbranched means this peduncle is unbranched. Why? Because as it belongs to simple spike, it is unbranched. That means next the terminal bud of the peduncle is active. That means whether it is opened into flower means no, it does not opens into flower. It does not opens into flower. Whether it shows a definite or indefinite growth means as this terminal bud grows continuously, so it shows indefinite growth. As this terminal bud grows continuously, that means it shows indefinite growth. On this peduncle, numerous bracteate. On this condensed peduncle, numerous bracteate. On this condensed peduncle, numerous bracteate. Next, sessile flowers. Next goes to sessile flowers. Sessile flowers which are arranged in which manner means acropetal manner. Sessile flowers which are arranged in which manner means acropetal manner. Which are arranged in which manner means acropetal manner. What is meant by acropetal arrangement means younger flowers are present towards, these are nothing but younger flowers are present towards apex of the peduncle, and whereas older flowers are present towards base of the peduncle. So this type of arrangement itself, it is nothing but acropetal arrangement. This type of arrangement itself, it is called as acropetal arrangement. What is meant by acropetal arrangement? As you know already, that is nothing but younger flowers are present towards apex and older flowers are present towards base, and this is the explanation of simple spike. And here only one minor difference is present in between simple raceme and simple spike. So one difference between simple raceme, and simple spike. What is the difference between simple raceme and simple spike means? In simple raceme, it shows pedicellate flowers. In simple raceme, it shows which flowers means pedicellate flowers. But whereas in simple spike, whether it is showing pedicellate flowers, no, it is not showing pedicellate flowers. Here it shows sessile flowers. Here it shows which flowers means sessile flowers. Here it is showing which type of flowers means sessile flowers. This is the explanation of simple spike. And next goes to compound spike. That is nothing but Oryza sativa. Belongs to which family? Poaceae family. In this Oryza sativa belongs to Poaceae family. In this, which type of fruit can be seen here? In this, which type of fruit can be seen here? That is nothing but a dry indehiscent fruit. That is nothing but a dry indehiscent fruit. What is the dry indehiscent fruit called as? It is called as caryopsis. It is called as caryopsis. So this Oryza sativa, it shows dry indehiscent fruit, that is nothing but caryopsis. Can we call this a one-seeded dry indehiscent fruit? Yes, it is called as one-seeded dry indehiscent fruit, that is nothing but caryopsis. In this, what happens means, in this caryopsis, seed coat is membranous. Seed coat is membranous, and it is fused with, seed coat is membranous and it is fused with fruit wall, or pericarp, or also called as pericarp. Oryza sativa, it is one-seeded, dry indehiscent fruit, nothing but caryopsis, belongs to the family Poaceae. In this caryopsis, seed coat is membranous and it is fused with fruit wall. And it is fused with which one means fruit wall. And whereas when we are coming towards this compound spike, what happens means this is the peduncle. This is the peduncle. It is long, it is elongated, and as it belongs to compound type, it is branched. Peduncle is, what happens means here the peduncle is branched. Whereas the terminal bud of the peduncle is active. That means whether it opens into flower. No, does not opens into flower. So that means it shows indefinite growth. That means it shows which type of growth means indefinite growth. On this peduncle, numerous branches are developing. On this peduncle, which one is developing? Numerous branches are developing. In this, what happens means each branch, this is called as branch. Think it is nothing but the branch. Each branch of compound spike, itself it is called as a spikelet. Each branch of compound spike itself it is called as spikelet. And what is this one is called as? This one is called as rachis. This one is called as rachis. Each branch of compound spike itself it is called as spikelet. The axis of the spikelet is called as rachis. Axis of the spikelet is called as rachis. On this spikelet, numerous bracteate. On this spikelet, numerous bracts are developing. Numerous bracts are developing. These are nothing but bracts. These bracts are called as glooms. These bracts are called as which one means glooms. These bracts present upon the rachis, which is nothing but the axis of spikelet. Spikelet itself it is nothing but branch of compound spike, and here these bracts are nothing but which one they are called as glooms. These bracts are nothing but glooms. In this basal glooms are called as, which glooms here? Basal glooms are called as sterile glooms. Called as which glooms here? Sterile glooms. Basal glooms are called as sterile glooms. Why it is called as sterile glooms? Why? Because here from this basal glooms, here no flowers are developing. From this basal glooms, which are nothing but sterile glooms, they does not shows flowers, so they are called as sterile glooms. Whereas middle glooms are called as fertile glooms. Middle glooms are called as fertile glooms. Why they are called as fertile glooms? Because they possess flowers in their axil. Differentiate between fertile glooms and sterile glooms means fertile glooms in their axis, fertile glooms in their axil flowers are producing. So they are called as fertile glooms. But whereas sterile glooms means, basal glooms are called as sterile glooms means from this axil the flowers are not developing, so they are called as sterile glooms. Now what happens means these fertile glooms are called as palea. These fertile glooms are called as palea. The main axis of the spikelet, it is called as rachilla. It is called as which one means rachilla. And here the fertile glooms are nothing but lemma. Fertile glooms, it is nothing but lemma. And what happens means from this axil of the fertile glooms, that is nothing but lemma. From the axil of the fertile glooms, that is nothing but lemma. This portion, it is nothing but elongated thalamus. This portion, it is nothing but elongated thalamus. This portion itself, it is nothing but elongated thalamus. On this elongated thalamus, what happens means bracteole is reduced. This is nothing but bracteole. This is nothing but bracteole is reduced into namely known as palea. Into namely known as palea. Bracteole is reduced on elongated thalamus, which is nothing but palea. And what happens means on this perianth lobes are reduced into, on this perianth lobes, on this which lobes here? Perianth lobes, on this perianth lobes are reduced into lodicules. On this perianth lobes are reduced into lodicules. How many lodicules are present here? 2 lodicules. That is nothing but one calyx. One, it is nothing but one calyx. It is reduced into one lodicule. Another one, it is one corolla. Another one, it is nothing but one corolla is reduced into another lodicule. So here perianth lobes are reduced into lodicules. How many lodicules? 2. In these 2 lodicules, one it is reduced calyx and another one it is nothing but reduced corolla. And what happens after that means it shows the male sex organ, that is nothing but andrecium. This is nothing but male sex organ. This is nothing but male sex organ, that is nothing but andrecium. And what happens means another one, it is nothing but female sex organ, that is nothing but female sex organ. Female sex organ, that is nothing but gynoecium. Female sex organ, that is nothing but gynoecium. So this is about the fertile glumes are also called as lemma. That means one lemma is equal to, one lemma is equal to which one here? One palea. One palea plus 2 lodicules. One palea plus how many lodicules here? 2 lodicules. One it is reduced calyx, another one it is reduced corolla, and another one it is nothing but andrecium, and the next one that is nothing but gynoecium. Arrange the floral parts in descending order. Arrange the floral parts in descending order in this flower. That means what is the first part? That is nothing but, first one that is nothing but gynoecium, and the second one that is nothing but andrecium, third one it is nothing but lodicules, and fourth one it is nothing but palea. Fourth one it is nothing but which one here? Palea. That means in one lemma, what I am saying? In one lemma, arrange the floral parts in descending order. In one lemma, arrange the floral parts in descending order. That means first it is nothing but gynoecium, and second one it is andrecium, third one it is lodicules, and fourth one it is palea. Fourth one it is none other than palea. So this is about the compound spike. This is about which one here? Compound spike. And one more thing here. In this each branch of compound spike. This is nothing but each branch of which one? Compound spike. Each branch of compound spike resembles with simple spike? No. That means simple spike is not equal to branch of compound spike. Branch of which one here? Compound spike. Simple spike, it is not equal to branch of compound spike. Why? Because in simple spike we cannot see that lemma, palea, lodicules. This is nothing but lemma. This is nothing but palea. These are nothing but lodicules. This is nothing but these structures, whether it is present here in this simple raceme. These structures are absent in simple spike. That means here the simple spike, it is not equal to branch of compound spike.